Hi, now we are here on the second part of the explanation based on Susan's equation. The second part is on dependent origination of the DO. In Pali, it's called paticca samuppada. This dependent origination is basically the law of cause and effect. Buddha put this law in very straightforward wording. He said this. I'm gonna write those in terms of diagram. Okay. He said when this exists, that comes to be. When with arising of this, that arise. When this doesn't exist, that does not come to be. With the cessation of this, that ceased. I'm going to use this sign being a circle and a line connected together to represent the relationship of this and that, which is in this case an A and B. The bright circle being a rising relationship. The black circles and the line representing cessation relationship. What does that mean in terms of this A related to B? In this case, you can see B is conditioned by A. A is cause B. Okay, it's just a simple law of cause and effect in both arising relationship and cessation relationship. So to put that in terms of our context that we are discussing right now, we're talking about the feeling. The feeling that we are discussing now is the present feeling, being a present feeling, the painful feeling, and neither present nor painful feeling. Okay, this is the feeling that we're talking about. This feeling is conditioned by what? What caused the feeling to happen? Something that needs to arise before the feeling comes to be. What are this? It's a contact. Contact, then feeling. When contact, feeling comes to be. This is what this whole equation means. What are the contact first? The contact is basically a sixth sense base. Sixth sense base, which is the eyes, the ears, the nose, the touches, the tongue, and your heart, your mind. It's a sixth sense base. When I see an object, could be any objects, form or any objects, and the mind cognize, these three things form a relationship called a contact. When contact, feeling comes to be. Let me give you an example of you going to a shopping mall. Okay, if you go to a shopping mall, you see either a handbag or a pair of shoes. And then when the form object touches comes to your eyes and your mind recognizes it, you have feeling whether you like it or you don't like it, or actually it's neutral. That's why the feeling, it doesn't end there, the relationship. The feeling is cause and nothing. When feeling, then desire comes to be. Desire from some translated as craving. Because you feel like it, I like it. That's why I buy it. I have desire of wanting it. And this desire is the thing that puts us into action. Action, physical action, verbal action or mental action because of this craving. In Pali, used as a tanha, T-A-N-H-A, Pali. If you look at this relationship between feeling and desire, when feeling, desires come to be. With arising of feeling, desire arise. This, if you look at this thing called the four noble truth, the cause of suffering is the desire or craving. That's why, how do we have feeling so that we don't have desire? That's why this point is the weakest link, the weakest link. That we need to understand the feeling and how we handle the feeling so that it doesn't create desire. Okay, the feeling part I'm going to explain into the third part of the feeling. Let's continue to the third part.